Good day, my name is Mellor. I've got a number of construction clients in Chino, California, as well as homeowners dealing with contractors. I thought it helpful to give you a quick video on mechanics liens and some of the issues that arise both for homeowners and contractors in the filing and recording of mechanics liens. The first thing you want to ask yourself is, are you in direct contractual privity with a homeowner? Now this depends obviously if you're working on a work of home improvement for a homeowner or if you're working on a commercial project. If you're working on a commercial project, you don't have to worry about the work of home improvement laws that attach in doing construction. But if you are working for a homeowner, make sure that you have complied with those items in the Business Professions Code required of works of home improvement. That aside, you want to make sure if you're in direct contractual privity with the owner that you don't need to record a 20-day preliminary notice. However, if you're not in direct contractual privity with the owner and you're working for a general contractor or a subcontractor, you have to file what's called a 20-day preliminary notice. What do I mean by file? I mean you have to send by certified mail return receipt requested notice to the owner, the lender on the project, if any, and the general contractor of the project that you are working on the project and how much your contract price is for. This is a 20-day preliminary notice. It's a prerequisite for filing a mechanics lien later on. And you want to make sure you do that within your first 20 days of arriving at the project and doing work. You can always file it later on, but you're only going to be able to claw back 20 days from the date of mailing certified mail return receipt requested. Secondarily, you want to make sure that you record your mechanics lien within 90 days of terminating your work at the project or your last day of work at the project. If you don't, you waive your mechanics lien rights and your mechanics lien becomes voidable. So if you're a homeowner with a late mechanics lien filed or you're a contractor contemplating the filing of mechanics lien, you want to make sure you do it within 90 days of your last work on the project. And then finally, once you record a mechanics lien, your job's not over, you have to file a lawsuit to enforce your mechanics lien rights. Without the lawsuit, your mechanics lien rights go away and you have no rights with the mechanics lien that's been recorded. If you're a homeowner and the contractor hasn't filed a lawsuit to enforce its mechanics lien rights, you can have the mechanics lien expunged from your property profile under a very easy motion process that you can recover attorney's fees for doing so on. If you have those issues, you want to talk about mechanics liens, construction issues, feel free to give my office a call. I'll be happy to discuss it with you.